On average, we spend around 4 hours a day on our phones, which is roughly about 1/3 of our waking lives. And a surprising percentage of that time is spent customizing our phones to make them truly unique and personalized to our tastes. Customizing your phone's interface is an often overlooked aspect of smartphone ownership, but it can make a huge difference in how you interact with your device. With the right themes, widgets, and app organization, you can create a phone that's not only visually appealing but also highly functional and efficient. Let's face it, default phone interfaces can be pretty bland and uninspiring. They often lack personalization and organization, which can lead to a cluttered and confusing user experience. You've got apps scattered all over the place, no clear hierarchy or categorization, and a home screen that's just a mess. It's frustrating because you know your phone can be so much more. Imagine having to dig through multiple screens just to find the app you need, or wasting time scrolling through a long list of apps to find the one you want. It's a waste of time and energy, and it can be really demotivating. And don't even get me started on the lack of visual appeal. A default phone interface can be completely lacking in style and personality. But the good news is that you don't have to settle for a boring, uninspiring phone interface. With a little bit of creativity and experimentation, you can create a phone that's truly one of a kind. So how do you get started with customizing your phone's interface? Well, the first step is to explore the different customization options available to you. You can download themes to change the visual style of your phone, add widgets to create a more functional home screen, and organize your apps in a way that makes sense to you. You can also experiment with different launchers, icon packs, and even custom fonts to really make your phone stand out. One of the most powerful customization tools at your disposal is the ability to add widgets to your home screen. Widgets can provide you with quick access to important information, like the weather, your schedule, or your favorite news feeds. They can also help you to stay organized by providing you with a to-do list or a calendar view. Another area where customization can make a big difference is in app organization. By categorizing your apps into folders and groups, you can create a much more streamlined and efficient user experience. You can also use app drawers and hidden folders to keep your home screen clutter-free and easy to navigate. Now let's take a look at how to put all of these customization options together to create a truly unique and personalized phone interface. Here, I'll show you how to download and install a new theme, add some widgets to your home screen, and organize your apps in a way that makes sense to you. We'll also take a look at some advanced customization techniques like how to create custom icons and menus, and how to use third-party launchers to really take your phone to the next level. By the end of this video, you'll have a phone that's not only visually stunning, but also highly functional and efficient. You'll be able to find apps quickly and easily, stay organized and on top of your tasks, and show off your unique personality to the world. So, what are the major customization tips that we've covered in this video? From downloading themes to adding widgets, organizing apps, and experimenting with advanced customization techniques, we've covered it all. By following these tips, you can create a phone that's truly one of a kind and perfectly suited to your needs and tastes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite customization tips and tricks. If you want to learn more about phone hacks and customization, be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel for more content.